3 short facts about dolphins, including some lesser-known aspects. 1. Echolocation experts. Dolphins use echolocation to navigate and hunt, emitting clicks that bounce off objects and return as echoes, helping them create detailed mental maps of their environment. 2. Complex social structures. Dolphins live in social groups called pods, and their societies are known for their complex relationships, cooperation, and communication through a wide range of vocalizations. 3. Left-sided preference. Dolphins often display a left-sided preference, with their right eye and flipper being more dominant, which might be related to their social behaviors and interactions.